Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by authorizing Playbox in native access so the engine can run. This gives you presets and samples immediately. Once done, open your DAW and create an instrument track, then load Playbox from your plugin list. Make sure buffer is 128 to 256 samples for low latency during initial setup, and confirm MIDI input is enabled so you can audition sounds. You're now ready to select a preset and hear audio. Keep volume low until routing and levels are verified. Now you dive into sound design. Use macro knobs to manipulate several parameters at once and map MIDI CC for hands-on control. Once you assign modulation, adjust the envelope attack, decay, sustain, and release to shape dynamics. Change the filter type and cutoff to remove unwanted frequencies. Use LFOs with sync set to host tempo if you want rhythmic motion, or free rate for organic wobble. Finally, drag samples into the zone editor. Trim start and end points, and set loop markers to refine playback. For performance, build key zones and set velocity curves so articulation responds to your playing. Assign round robin to avoid repetition. Once satisfied, save a user preset and bounce MIDI to audio to reduce CPU load. Archive sample files with the project so sessions recall correctly. If things go wrong, audio glitches, missing samples, first increase your buffer, then check CPU usage and thread priorities, and finally verify sample file paths in native access. These steps close the session and keep your sounds recallable and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.